This C program calculate simple interest. Formula is simple interest is equal to principal amount multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by duration divided 100, where principal amount is equal to the principal amount rate of interest is equal to rate per the annum duration, that is the duration in years. So first we need to include header files. Here we need stdio.h, that is the standard input output header files, to use the built-in function. This is the main function from where the start the execution. First we need to declare the variables. So here we need 4 variables. First one, principal amount, that is a floating type variable. Rate of interest, also a floating type variable. Duration, that is a floating type variable, and simple interest, that is also a floating type variable. So all variable declared here as the floating type variable. Initialization of variable, directly you can assign the value or we can take the user input. So first way, it tell user to input the principal amount that will scan by this line and store in the principal amount variable. Next one, the rate of interest, and next one is the duration in year, or the enter the time in year, that is the duration. Now to calculate the simple interest, so use the simple formula principal amount multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by duration divided by 100. Here these all these variables are floating point type variable, so that's why this product is a floating point variable, and divided that by this is 100, that will give the correct result. So simple interest is equal to this one. So after calculation, print the result. Simple interest is floating type variable, so that's why percent 0.28 to print up to the 2 decimal places. I use this format, that is 0.2, and that is then the end of the program. Returning 0 to the operating system indicate that the program executed successfully. Now thing is that here we declare the principal amount, rate of interest and duration, all three as the floating point number. Now if we declare this as the integer number, then we need to explicitly convert this product into the floating point to get the correct result. But as we declare here as the floating point number, so that's why there is no requirement of the explicitly declaration, that is type conversion to the float. Now run this program. Principal amount say 1000, rate of interest say 10%, and time say 1.5 year. So then the total interest will be 150, that will be the value. So if we again run this value, some other amount say 1500, say this is 12.00, say 1 year. So for the 1 year it will give the 180, that will be the thing. So this will works fine, but the point need to remember here, if you declare this principal amount, rate of interest and duration all three as the integer type variable, then you need to explicitly convert this value, this three product into the floating point number before dividing by the 1000. Otherwise, you will get the wrong result. So this is the program of calculating the simple interest.